Is your iPhone screen stubbornly frozen? Let's troubleshoot and get it working again. A force restart is your first line of defense. It often works wonders. So let's try it. The button combination varies depending on your iPhone model. For iPhones without a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button afterward. Press and hold the side button, that's the power button, until the Apple logo appears. If your iPhone has a home button, hold down both the home button and the power lock button simultaneously, and keep them pressed until the Apple logo shows. Once the Apple logo appears, release the buttons and let your iPhone restart. This often fixes frozen screens. If that didn't do the trick, confirm that your phone has sufficient storage. Further, if this doesn't work or the problem persists, a software update may solve the glitch, so double check for an upgrade to the latest version. Also, avoid storing your phone in extreme temperatures. Hopefully those solutions unfreeze your screen. If not, Apple support is always there. Knowing these simple fixes can save you from a lot of frustration.